don't know about you, but I love to have my favorite drinks out of a fun cup. So today I'm reviewing an adorable ceramic fox mug from Takuto. And it's not just any mug, it's a cozy little companion for your morning coffee, evening tea, and everything in between. I took it out of the box, and the first thing I noticed were the little ears and the cute fox face. The ceramic is smooth, and it also has a comfortable handle on the side. And this mug isn't just adorable, it's also practical. It holds a generous 14 ounces of hot or cold liquid, and the wide mouth makes it easy to clean. I'm not entirely sure if it's dishwasher safe though, so it's probably better to hand wash. But overall, I'm loving the uniqueness of it. It fits perfectly on my mug holder and stands out from the other cups. Plus, foxes are the cutest little creatures, so it definitely makes unwinding at night with my sleepy time tea that much better. So whether you want to add something new to your mug collection, or just need the perfect gift idea for someone special, this fox mug will have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I'm gonna have some tea in my cozy new mug. Later!